Hey, look, if you have not spent some time focused on actually getting your name, your information, your brand, your service, your product, whatever it is out there on enough properties in the exact way that AI search is using, because see, AI search has a whole different algorithm than what you probably realize. If you're not spending time working on that right now, other companies are showing up ahead of you for something that you may have dominated for years on Google. It doesn't matter. AI search does not care what shows up on Google. AI search is looking for a completely different algorithm. If you're not showing up with that right now, then you need to start working on search everywhere optimization. That means you need to start working on content, videos, social media. You need to make sure you're on the right websites. You need to make sure that you have reviews on more than just Google. You need to make sure that you're actually on some very specific websites out there that, for whatever reason, AI search right now, they see it as the place to go and the accountability and the activity that needs to be done by a business. If that's you, you're looking for help in that, that's what I do. My name's Corey Long. I work for Yroc Consulting. We started it 10 years ago. Also train. I do all kinds of different things. And right now, Yroc is offering a special service just to take over and dominate for your name, your brand, your service, or your product. We want to take over for you in your marketplace. Give us a call, DM, PM me, or drop a comment. Whatever it is, wherever you're watching this at, we want to help you. We want to help you to dominate in 2025 to get to your goals. So reach out today and let's talk.